I'm really hot. Like, I'm wearing a short sleeve and it's really hot. Oh, I want to get an ice cream. So, I'm going to go to catch up for an ice cream. Bye, Bartsy. Bye. Okay, I'll get you some ice cream. Connie going to the ice cream stand. There's one. When Connie arrived, hi, welcome to Lily's ice cream stand. I'm Lily. Oh, hi, I'm Kanani, and I would like to take one. Actually, what is your flavors? I haven't tasted one of your flavors in a long time. Like, this is my first time. Oh, okay. Well, we have a lot of flavors, and the most popular one is lemonade mint, and I could give you a sample for that. I'll take one sample for that, please. Oh, yeah, sure. Just a minute. Okay. Give me your sample, ma'am. Oh, thank you. This is what I wanted from a long time ago. Oh, do you like it? Do you like it? Uh-huh. Can I have one, please? Oh, okay. Do you want in a cup or in a like plate? Oh, can you show me the plate, please? Oh yeah, sure. Just a minute. This is the plate. Okay, and the plate could be changed into a flower or a painting if you want that. Can you show me the cup, please? Oh yeah, sure, just a minute. This is the cup. This is the full one, and we have until here and until here. Well, I'll take like that cup. Oh, okay, let me do you one and be right back with you now. Gonna do you one. Okay, let me get you a spoon. Just get that one. Get you a spoon. And okay, here you go. There's your ice cream, ma'am. And I hope you like it and enjoy it. Oh my god, really cold. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You're welcome. Please, please, please come join us again or come back again and take some ice cream. I will totally. And please tell your friends. Oh, actually, my friends told me about that. Oh, cool. Well, tell your friends if they don't know about that. Sure, I'll tell them. Thank you. Bye. Kanani going back to the shop, to her house. Finally got an ice cream. Woohoo! Sorry, guys. Woo! Finally! Lemonade mint! 'Mint. I don't need a spoon. Damn, that was really yummy. Barksy. No, I'm real sorry, but I have some new thing for you. I have little ice cream for you. Oh. Okay, you don't want that. Okay. This is for Lily's ice cream stand, and I hope you like it. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and favorite. Bye. See you next time. Okay, bye.